Hello everyone. I'm excited to share that I have launched my new Temenos T24 functional training course for retail banking on Udemy. This course is designed for professional and beginners who wants to build a strong skill in Temenos T24 core banking operations. This course includes step-by-step functional training, real simulations, and practical examples, clear explanations for easy learning. For few new joiners, you are going to get a special offer. You can see more in detail sections. If you are a new joiner and looking to grow your career in banking technology or consulting, this course will give you the practical skill to succeed. I have created this course to help you gain hands-on knowledge of how Temenos T24 works in real banking operations. In this training, we will be working with Temenos Model Bank, a demo environment with dummy data created for practice and learning. This is a step-by-step, beginners-friendly course, so you don't need to have any prior experience with T24. A basic understanding of banking process will help, but that's also not mandatory. Before we begin, I want to make it very clear. This course is independently created and it is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by Temenos AG. All the demonstrations in this course are done using Model Bank demo environment with dummy data only. This is only for educational purpose. In this course, we will take a hands-on journey through the T24 Model Bank, learning how to navigate the system and perform key banking operations. We will begin with the basic like how to log in and navigate through the browser, understanding and manage users, creating and maintaining customers, opening and handling accounts. Each section includes step-by-step demonstrations using sample data so you can easily follow along with practice. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in T24 with both the concepts and practical skills needed to work confidently in the system. Thanks for your support, and I would love to see you inside the course. And don't forget to rate me there.